Hello author, Steve with Viva Purpose and Author Assistance, and today we're going to have Social Media Saturday. I'm excited about this one. I got a great tip for you today, but first I wanted to share I've got on my Broncos jersey. The Broncos are playing tonight. I am a diehard fan. Not having a great season this year, but I'm hoping they kind of turn it around here towards the end. Be a little bit late bloomers, but whatever. Okay, so Social Media Saturday. So we need to be keeping our feeds going. We need to be engaging with our audience. We need to be keeping our fans up to date. And this is a great way to improve your ratings and also to get turn readers into fans and followers and get people to really interact with you. Okay, so live videos is what we're talking about a little bit today. Especially on Facebook Live. That's what I'm doing right now, is a Facebook Live video. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about the orientation and so forth. I'm actually going to turn my wife's screen brightness down because it's washing out the camera when I try this. So basically, I'm using my wife's phone to show you what I'm going to try to teach you today. So when we do a live video, let me just put in a thing here, test. So I've got a live video getting ready to go here. I'm gonna edit the thing to only me. Okay, so I've got it set to only me, so I'm not broadcasting to everyone. Now this is where you can change your groups and things like that, right? So this is right under this, right up here at the top, right? You click there to get into that. So I've titled this test. Right here you can see where I typed out test. As you can see, this is in portrait mode. So if I start the video right now, the live video, now it's connecting and it's getting ready to go live. Now you can see that is in portrait mode, and you can see by the icons down below that it is portrait mode, right? Now if I turn the screen sideways, it is still in portrait mode, and it'll give you a message telling you that you cannot turn your screen sideways in live videos. It won't automatically rotate your screen like it will in others. So now when we watch this, let me just finish. Now if you watch, the video will actually be sideways. Turn the video up there. Okay, so live. Now you can see that is in portrait mode. And you can see by the icons down below that it is portrait mode, right? Now if I turn the screen sideways, it is still in portrait mode. And so you can see right there where it is, oops, a message telling you. You can see where it is still in that portrait mode right there, so everything is sideways. So we don't want to do it like that. So let's try, we're going to delete that video real quick, 1 second, and I'm going to flip it the other way. So we're going to start another live video there. I'm going to put in my description, test, oops. It's kind of hard to type backwards here, but we got the title of text there. Now if I rotate the screen before I start the video, hit my done there. See how it's already landscaped it out and it's put the stuff across the bottom here, right? Once I hit the live feed, it's going to go ahead and start that in landscape mode, and you can see all of the where you're going to put your comments and stuff, and all of your buttons are down at the bottom here. That shows that it's in the right orientation. Now if I turn my screen back again, it'll give me that error message, right? So we want to go back to landscape mode. So let's go ahead and finish that, and I'll show you here. Turn the volume back down. All right. So here you can see it's landscape, and you've got your text at the bottom. It's that widescreen look. All right, and that's what you want for most of the time when you're doing videos that you're going to be putting on your timeline, on your post. Now, you can use the portrait. That's not a bad deal. It works okay for people who are going to be viewing your content solely on their phone, right? So it's not bad. And what you'll end up though, what you'll end up with, especially if you're going to try and use it for a training video or something along those lines, is if somebody watches it in widescreen or on a tablet or a computer or something like that, you'll end up with the black blocks on the sides. So one of the things you can do is go back and edit it, and you can put in like bullet points or logos or something in that black space and use it like that to make it look a little bit more professional. But otherwise, people don't want to watch where there's just this much and then black on the sides. That just doesn't look good, right? Unless you're just solely going to a phone type audience. For quick little, hey, I'm just checking in type videos, that's probably all right, not a big deal. But if you're going to be using your video over the future, especially like I said, any kind of training or anything, if you're giving out tips, let's say you have a health book and you're doing recipes or something like that, and you're going to go live and you're going to present this recipe live, you're going to want to do it in landscape mode, not portrait, because you're going to want to put that in your feed later and use it down the road. You can use it from ads and different things along those lines. So there are times when you'll use it portrait, but for the most part, I like to do things in landscape because you can always go back and crop it, and say, okay, well, here's me right here, and I can crop it to this size if I want to. You can't just stretch the portrait into landscape. That doesn't work, right? So that's my tech tip for today. For our social media Saturday, I'm going to try and give you some more social media tips in the coming weeks and so forth. So tune in on Saturdays for those social media tips. Make sure you check the links down below. We've got some other training and other offers and different things down below, so make sure you check the links. Give us a like, a follow, and share the information with someone who could use it. Make sure you comment. Leave us a comment. What do you use? Do you use portrait mode? Do you use landscape? Have you had trouble with this in the past? Does this video help? Were you like fighting trying to figure out how to get your phone to switch? Just give us some feedback. Let us know what's going on. Also, let us know any other issues you may be having, especially for Social Media Saturdays, so we know what to do next Saturday for you. Anything you're having issues with or need some tips on, help, advice, get in the conversation, get in the discussion, and let's help each other out. That's what we're here for. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure you give us a like and a follow, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope it helped.